Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice geometric problem. So that here we have this nice triangle in which we have some sides are given and we will find the values of other sides, so that here in this question I can find the length of the sides of AC, and after that I can find the length of sides CD or DC, and we will find the side of length BC. So in this problem we will find the length of these three sides, and after that here we have the two triangles. The first is the right triangle is ADC and other right triangle is BDC, and we have the length of the side AD is 9 and length of the side of BD is 12. So here we have two angles are given. This angle is x and this angle is 2x. So now first time I can check that is these two triangles are isosceles triangles or not. So that now the very first thing we are going to do is here first you see that if we have in right triangle ADC we have two angles. The first is x and the other angle is 90. So that in right triangle ADC I can use here, or you just know about that the sum of the angles of a right triangle is equals to 90. So that here our claim is to find the value of this angle, and I can name this angle as alpha. So that we see that this is the right triangle ADC, and its three angles are alpha, and you know that this angle is 90, and the sum of these three angles is equals to 180. So that we have alpha plus 90 plus x is equals to 180, and here you find the value of alpha, and you can easily find the value of alpha, which is equals to 90 minus x. So that it means that the value of this angle alpha is 90 minus x, and similarly we will find the value of this angle, and you see here, and I can name this as beta. So that now you can focus on the right triangle BDC. So in triangle BDC, so here you see that again I can apply the similar concept. The sum of these three angles is equals to 180. So that here you have beta plus 2x plus 90 is equals to 180, and here you find the value of beta, it is 90 minus 2x. So that it means that over this angle beta is 90 minus 2x, and when you can check that this whole angle, so here you see that if we can find the value of this combined angle, so that you can see here the value of this angle is x and the value of this beta is 90 minus 2x, and when we combine these two angles then you get here x plus 90 minus 2x, it is equals to 90 minus x. So it means that if you combine these two angles, or if you can find the angle at C, so it is the value is 90 minus x. And now here you see that we have the triangle ABC. So the angles in the triangle ABC are 90 minus x, and this is also 90 minus x. So it means that the triangle A, B and C be the isosceles triangle because its two angles are same. So if it is isosceles triangle and the length of this side is because here length of AD is 9 and the length of BD is 12, so the total length is equals to 21. So if the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, then its two angles are same. These are 90 minus x and 90 minus x, and the length of its two sides are same. So that if the length of this side is 21, so that the length of this side is also 21. So here you can see that we have the length of this side is 21, or you can say that the length of this side BC is 21. So this is our first value. And now if you can focus in the right triangle BDC, I can draw here again in triangle BDC. So here you see that, so that I can draw here the right triangle BDC, which is in this form. So this is the side of DC. So this is the D and this is the C and this is the B. So now our next claim is to find the value of DC. So if you can focus in this triangle, and here you see that we have the right triangle, and here I can named this as C. The value of C is 12, and I can name this as small b, and this is the small d. So now I can apply here the Pythagoras theorem here. So you know about Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, here we get hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square or altitude square. So this is the our Pythagoras theorem, and now we can here you have the value of hypotenuse is 21 square and our base is 12 square and perpendicular is b, so we can find the value of b. So when you can open the square of 21, then the square of 21 is equals to 441 is equals to 144 plus b square. So this implies that you got the value of b square is equals to 297, and now you can taking the square root on both of the sides and you get b is equals to square root of 297, and we can write this 297 as 9 times of 33. So it is equals to 3 times of 33 square root, so that we have the value of b is equals to 3 times of square root of 33. So here you can put the value of b is equals to 3 times of square root of 33, so that here you have the value of this side will be equals to 3 times of square root of 33. So now we can find the value of second side, which is DC, and now we move towards the third side, which is AC. So now we move toward the to find the value of AC side. So now I can draw again the right triangle ADC. So here you have the right triangle ADC, and in which we find the value of AC, and we have the value of two sides. So that here I can again use the Pythagoras theorem, which is about a hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, and here you have the value of hypotenuse is here I can named the values as, here you have this is the value of C, this is the value of small a, and this is the value of D. So now here I can find the value of D, so that our hypotenuse in this triangle is D, so it is D square, and base is 9 square, and hypotenuse is 3 into square root 3 and its whole square. So here you have D square is equals to 81 plus 3 times of square root of 3 times of 33 is equals to 297, and it is equals to 378 D square. So here you get the value of D is 378 square root, and we can write this 378 as 9 times of 42 and its whole square root. So here you get d is equals to 3 times of 42. So this is the value of third side, or you can say that the value of d is 3 times of square root of 42. So now we move in the our right triangle. So here you have the value of this side is 3 times of square root of 42. So finally we have the value of the side AC is equals to 21, and the value of side DC is equals to 3 times of square root of 33, and the value of AC is, sorry, this is the value of AC and it is 3 times of 42, and the value of BC is 21. So these are the three sides of this question, and this is our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.